Holy smoke! I landed in the back seat of a...
A safe alert has been issued for Maricopa County. This is the Arizona Department of Public Safety. A safe alert has been issued for Maricopa County. The Gilbert Police Department is looking for 20-year-old Riley Huger. Riley is a white female, 5 feet 3 inches tall, 105 pounds, and has red hair with brown eyes. She was last seen wearing a black t-shirt with a white jean shorts, black, white shoes and black prescription glasses with clear lenses. Riley was last seen at 3:40 p.m. on March 25, 2026, on foot near Higley and Queen Creek Roads in Gilbert, Arizona. Riley has a medical condition which may cause her to become lost or easily confused. If you have seen Riley, please contact the Gilbert Police Department at 480-503-6500 or call 911. If you have contact with this safe alert, please call 911. Monitor TV and radio for updates.
Oh! Allow me to introduce myself. Mayor Avarice's J. Ward here.
Are you kidding? We already met the mayor this afternoon, and you aren't him.
Well, you're mad the day mayor, that's why.
And you're...
The night mayor.
I should have known.